Hello children, today we are going to solve the exercise part 3rd standard English poem number 2 Cat Sleep Anywhere. Before going to that exercise part, we revise this poem once. Cat sleep anywhere, any table, any chair. Cat sleep anywhere, any table, any chair. Top of piano window ledge, in the middle on the edge. Cat sleep anywhere, any table, any chair. Open drawer, empty shoe, any bird's love will do. Cat sleep anywhere, any table, any chair. Fitted in a cardboard box, in the cupboard with your frogs. Cat sleep anywhere, any table, any chair. Anyway they don't care. Cat sleep anywhere. So here we move on to the exercise part, understanding the text. Answer these questions, A part and B part. In the A part, first question, name the 5 places where cats sleep according to the poet. ಪೋಯಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಲೀಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಟೇಬಲ್, ಚೇರ್, ಪಿಯಾನೋ, ವಿಂಡೋ ಲೆಡ್ಜ್, ಓಪನ್ ಡ್ರಾವರ್, ಎಂಪ್ಟಿ ಶೂ, ಲ್ಯಾಪ್, cardboard box, cupboard, etc. The second question, anybody's laugh will do. What is meant by will do? Will do ಅಂದರೆ ಹೇಗೆ, ಏನು ಹಾಗಾದರೆ? In the line, anybody's laugh will do, the meaning of will do is to provide what is needed. ಯಾರ್ದಾದ್ರೂ ತೊಡೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡತ್ತಲ್ವ ಕ್ಯಾಟು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಬಂದು ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದು ಲ್ಯಾಪ್. ಸೊ ಬಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಬಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, ಥಿಂಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಎನಿವೇ ದೇ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕೇರ್, ಹೂ ಈಸ್ ರೆಫರ್ ಟು ಆಸ್ ದೇ. ಎನಿವೇ ದೇ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕೇರ್, ಹೂ ಈಸ್ ರೆಫರ್ ಟು ಆಸ್ ದೇ. ಯಾರು ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ದೇ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾರು ಕೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, that is cats. Cats are referred to as they. So in the next part, choose the correct word from the box and fill in the blanks. Here they have given the boxes with the words. We have to choose it and properly we have to write down according to that sentences. Here the concept is, for example, if there is a lots of keys, so we identify that we told that bunch of keys. तो पूरा ಬಂಚಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತೀವಿ, ಬಂಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೀಸಿಗೆ, ಕೀಸ್ ಇರುವಂಥ ಬಂಚಿಗೆ, ಫುಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೀಸಿಗೆ ಬಂಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Like that, here they have given some sentences. According to that, we have to pick the words and filling the blanks. So first one is, there was a dash of geese on the farm. So geese formally ಇರ್ತಾವೆ, geese birds. So other geese of group of geese ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? So here it is gaggle. So we have to write down here GAGGLE, gaggle. Gaggle of geese ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Ritu has a dash of stamps in her cupboard. So group of stamps called, that is collection. Collection of stamps. Collection of stamps in her cupboard. Third one, the mechanic used his dash of tools to repair the car. So a group of tools that is called as set of tools, that is set of tools. And fourth one, a dash of owls howled in the jungle. So a group of owls, we have called that a pack of owls. A pack of owls howled in the jungle. Next, that is a dash of people gathered on the road. So crowd of people, crowd, crowd of people. Next, move on to the listening part. Listen carefully and match the column from the meaningful sentence. Here they have given two columns. We have to match it, depend upon that correct meaning. So here it is, Meeta likes. So which one will be correct? Meeta like. So read books. Meeta like to read books. The sun looked beautiful in the morning. Next, third one, Samira has completed her work. Can I borrow your pencil, please? Then plants need sunlight, air and water. Next, here writing part, look at the picture. They show certain things that we should and should not do. Write them in the correct column. Here they have given some pictures. What was that pictures? A boy is throwing stone to the doggy. A boy is helping to his father for cleaning the car, washing the car. One boy is playing with a matchstick and one girl is brushing her teeth. So here they have given do or don't. Whichever we have to do, we have write down here. Whichever don't, we write down in this column. So throwing a stone to the boy, to the animal is a correct do or don't. It comes in don't. So we have to write down here, throwing stones at an animal. Don't. It should become in don't column. Next, cleaning a car, washing the car, helping your elders, for what? Elders in washing a car is comes in do column, washing a car. Next, playing with a matchstick, don't. So it's a harmful. So playing with the matchstick is comes in don't column. Then brushing teeth is do column. Brushing your teeth will come in do's column. So move on to the pronunciation part. Read these words aloud, stress on the edge sound. So first one is hedge, sledge, bridge, fridge, dodge, lodge, judge, smudge. So these are the pronunciation part: hedge, sledge, bridge, fridge, dodge, lodge, judge and smudge.